I run an agency that does web design and digital marketing for local businesses, and typical clients are tradespeople, that's roofers, plumbers, electricians, plasterers, and so forth. I have looked for a long time for good imagery for local pages that they want to basically increase business. And I've struggled in the past until I came across some AI tools that produce fantastic images that I could be proud to put on their website. So recently, for electrician in Harrow, England, I looked for an appropriate image which I couldn't find until I came across Ideogram.ai, and the prompt that I gave it was to give me a picture of an electrician with this van written "Electrician in Harrow," and in a busy street in Harrow on the Hill, which is a famous locality in Harrow in England. And it really delivered the goods for an AI image, which I was happy to use on their website because it really displayed the purpose of the page, and anybody landing on the page seeing the picture and seeing the text will get an immediate idea that they're on the right page. I also asked the AI to produce an image of an electrician attending to a home emergency electrical problem and the resulting happy household cheering, having had their power restored. This is what the AI came back with, which I believe is very appropriate for this content section, and is bound to keep visitors engaged, leading to more calls for the electrician. I hope you got some value from this short video. I'm going to try and upload some more videos of the work that we do for local business, web design, SEO, and digital marketing. Like and subscribe if you wish to see more content. You can also contact DigiAd Agency, linked below, if you'd like to discuss digital marketing services for your business.